One of the exciting things is that everyone contributes to the thinking about what migration is about, this particular project. And so, for example, in the dance that we've been doing recently, these have all come from our own experiences of migration, which is a lovely thing to share anyway. And then to actually put it into dance form is really exciting.
It's very diverse, and everyone has different experiences, good and bad. At a personal level, I've realised that there's also a vertical migration that people make from when they start at this level and then they move through society or social systems or whatever, and they have to still be able to make that translation. It can be difficult.
A couple of years ago, I went to the Tate Modern, and there was an exhibition on migrations. And I got really, really excited because I thought, how can I show people from the UK how migrants have contributed to their culture and to the arts? So I thought, I want to contribute myself, creating a piece called Migrations, and show people how I have contributed with my work and also with my dancers' work through the dance company.